Hello. So the first thing you do is you connect the power cable to the camera here, and then you reset the camera. Let me open this. So you reset the camera, you hold this for a few seconds.
Reset success.
It says reset success, and you let it reset. So I'll just pause the video.
Please configure camera by AP hotspot or scanning code.
So the next thing is it will ask you to configure it. So what you do is you install YCC365 on your phone, and then you press the button, you press the app, you first create an account, then you add a camera by going to the plus button up here. Oops. And then you go to others, and then scanning the code. Then it will ask you, you go next, and you put in your username and password for your Wi-Fi. You go next, then it will tell you to show this to the camera. Then I just need to, so that's it. The camera saw the code.
Please wait for Wi-Fi connecting.
Yep. And then you hear the beep, so you press it.
Please wait for internet connecting.
It says it's gonna get connected to the internet. Will take a few seconds. And then easy, that's it.
Internet connected. Welcome to use cloud camera.
So you can just put it and give it a name and then start the experience. So that's the camera that you just press on it, and then you will see the whole house. And so what you need to do, okay, let me just disconnect that one because I hear myself. All right, so to attach it to the wall, you basically just need to screw these to the wall. It comes with the screws, so you just use those to get it connected to the wall or any other place that you want to attach it to. And yeah, basically that's it. And just make sure this power is secured and it has enough it's away from the rain, so it kind of like a probably use the, I don't know, some kind of tape or something to make sure it's not under the rain. That's it.